This film makes me sick.
And now, more previews from the CBS Fox Video collection.
Party people in the place, pay attention to me. I'm gonna tell you a story about an MC or a rapper. That's a person who rhymes to the beat, a musical rhythm on city street.
My name is Ice and I own this town. That's only when Hood's not around.
Now John Hood's his name, rapping's his game. Word manipulation's how he gained his fame and life. Robin Hood, he's honest and true and always down with his partners, the Wild Thing crew. Rapping.
What's on your mind, man?
Rapping.
John Hood.
Rapping.
I want to fix your rapping Hood.
Now rapping John Hood had one problem at hand. A mean power broker was taking the land. But John and his crew had their own tricks in store, so they robbed from the rich and gave to the poor.
You messing with the wrong man.
And rapping John Hood realized that fact, and he and his crew are fighting back in rapping. You must see rapping. Rapping. This movie had to happen. Rap, 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 rap.
This film makes me sick.
Late one afternoon, an insurance man has one more stop to make. Harlem. After dark. But when night falls at Lincoln Towers, doors are chained and bolted, windows are locked, shades are drawn, and no one ventures out. Because when the sun sets, the gangs rule the night, and no one is safe in enemy territory.
Help! Somebody help!
They were two strangers caught in the wrong place at the wrong time.
I think he's gone.
When an action-packed night became the longest night of their lives.
It's gonna be all right, okay?
Want them? Back off, squid lips.
Gary Frank and Jan Michael Vincent join Ray Parker Jr. in his phenomenal motion picture debut. Parker is best known for his original soundtrack and hit title song from the movie Ghostbusters.
Man's in trouble, I can help him.
The New York Post calls Parker handsome, resourceful, and fearless in this role that proves him to be one of the hottest new talents around. Enemy Territory. Don't miss their daring escape to daylight.